Hey everybody, Metalhead White here. So I did a thing. What I did was I decided to do an overhaul on my rose gold stack, and I traded in my small Cartier Juste un Clou and two of my Tiffany bracelets. One was a wire T-square and one was a T-smile bracelet, and they just were thin, and I didn't really have the presence I wanted. I had tried this bracelet on when I was at Tiffany visiting family in New Jersey, and I really liked it a lot, but it was a little bit out of my price range. But after some careful thought, I decided I would turn my three pieces into Fashion File. I still have some credit left over, and I am getting another piece from Fashion File, but I got this. One thing I can say is that I take advantage of the fact that, sadly, Tiffany does not have quite the resale value that Cartier does. But I don't care because I really wanted this piece. Ta-da! It's exactly my size, exactly what I wanted, and I'm very happy with it. It's the Tiffany T1 narrow rose gold bangle. Size large. Love it. What you do is you squeeze and then it opens, and I am looking to find better things to stack with my Cartier Clash. I love how this stacks with my Cartier Clash. Easy to get on. Now I just got to find something else that's going to stack with them, and that's what I am figuring out. I am seriously considering getting one of these in rose gold. So I've been wearing this with it to kind of see how I feel about it. Long time coming. I had tried this on, like I said, a year ago, and I really liked it a lot, but I could not afford it, so I got something else. What I did was I settled, and I shouldn't have, but I did, and I ended up getting it in the long run anyway. So this is the Tiffany T1 narrow bangle in rose gold. I really like it with my Cartier Clash. And I'm going to probably get another Cartier bracelet of some sort. But I'm also thinking about getting this in rose gold to go with it. So we're going to see what happens. But I'm very happy that I got the blue box. When I was ordering on Fashion File, they just said it came with box and case. And I was like, please let it be the newer blue box. Please let it be the newer blue box. And it was. I'm very happy with Fashion File. This arrived when I sent in my pieces to get credit. I did the store credit with Fashion File because they give you a quote, and then they give you an additional 10% because you keep it within Fashion File. So I decided to stay with that. I had my eye on this piece when I sent in my quote, and luckily nobody bought it. So I'm very happy with it. And now I just need to find what's going to go with my stack. The other pieces were too thin and wiry for me. I wanted something more substantial. And so this really stacks well. Now this is from EP Fine Jewelry. This is sterling silver. Has my wedding date on it. I know the light's pretty bright here, so I'll go back a little bit. I'm looking to get this in rose gold. And there's also, this is the skinny charm bangle from EP Fine Jewelry. She also makes a mini skinny. So if I do end up deciding to get that stacked with this, then it would be the mini skinny, because this is a little too big with the stack. It just seems a little too, I don't know. But I'm very happy with this. The clasp is very secure. When this first came out, a couple of people on YouTube said that their clasp came loose. This is a newer model, as you can tell by the blue box and not the old black velvet box. So I'm very, very happy with it. I just wanted to share it with you. I just got it a couple of days ago, and so I had some time to settle down this weekend.